Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. I'm Dr. Mayo with BizCrown Media. And today we're talking about creating posts on Google Business Profile. Now, here's the deal. If you have a business, you need to be visible where your customers are searching for your products and services. And guess what? They are searching on Google. That's where Google Business Profile comes in. Think of your Google Business Profile as your digital storefront. It's what helps people find you, learn about you, and connect with you. But here's the surprising part. A lot of businesses aren't taking advantage of this, especially of the free tool they have on there to be able to post about their services and products. As you see here, 40% of businesses have never posted on their Google Business Profile. This indicates a significant missed opportunity for engagement and visibility. Now, on the flip side, 60% of businesses have published posts, showing that a majority are utilizing this feature for engagement. So imagine if your competitors are using this and you're not. Regular updates and posts about promotions, news, or updates can transform a profile into an interactive hub for the audience. So in this instance, you're creating a beautiful window web shop for your business. Think about walking in the store and seeing things on the shelf. That's what you're doing digitally with Google Business Profile when you're posting your services and products there. And so the best part of it all is actually that posting on your Google Business Profile isn't just about visibility. It's about creating trust and sparking engagement.